Very good.
The pig
Hid. That's right. What about this one?
Tim sat in the van.
Mm-hmm.
Dad runs.
No, sound it out.
Ran to the van.
Very good.
Dad sat in the van.
Right.
The pig hid.
That's right.
What does this mean?
I just sound it out. What letters are they?
No, there's things for them.
What do you need?
But it is a
Is a
van. It fit
for
a pig.
Is a van fit for a pig?
No.
Now what's this say?
The pig hid.
No. Ran. Very good. Not it hid.
Hid.
Okay, now what's he do?
The pig ran to a pit.
Right.
I knew that was that funny. The pig it fit.
Right?
Fit. How come he keeps it?
Will he fit?